Wildwood Dam, located near St. Mary's, Ontario, is operated and maintained by the Upper Thames River Conservation Authority. The dam provides flood control and flow augmentation on Trout Creek and the North Thames River. It also provides a recreational reservoir with campground, boating, fishing, hiking, biking, and more opportunities.
Wildwood Dam was built around the mid-60s. One of the projects we've been working on is replacing the expansion joints at the drain valves, which are located down in the bottom of the dam. The parts we changed were original to the dam, so mid-60s, they're getting pretty old and some of them are starting to fail, so they needed replacement.
Here we're torching off the bolts that we couldn't reach with the grinder. There was a bunch at the bottom that were really hard to get to, and of course we had water coming in on both sides, so it made it a little more difficult as well.
This is a view of inside the valve chamber, the piping. That's the inside view of the valves. Lucky to have an opportunity to inspect it. It's very rare to get the chance to see what's happening in there. That's a new expansion joint in there ahead of the stop valve. So when we were in here changing the expansion joints, we took the opportunity to do some maintenance on the valve operators themselves. We took one apart. It tended to seize a lot because of the water that was contacting it all the time. Refurbished it and added a couple of grease fittings so that they prevent it from seizing in the future and help it to operate a little easier, a little smoother operation for it.
This was the first set of expansion joints that started to leak when we repaired them about 10 years ago. We've been every few years changing, when we get an opportunity, changing the rest, and we just changed the last set. The original valve position indicator was this mechanical piece here, and it was pretty ambiguous as to the exact setting of the valve. So we installed a position sensor onto the valve, and it displays right up there, so it makes it more accurate to adjust. You can adjust it. This is our data logger. It records the water levels and monitors it, and they can see this back at the office as well, so they know what the water levels are. And what we did this year, added a valve position sensor, so this will record the flows going through the drain valve. It's more accurate this way, and they can log it as well, log it and read it anytime at the office. One of the improvements we did this year.